Summary video, Inspector Tom Curran. You have an all welded fire escape, all diamond plate. You can see the rust getting in behind the steel, pulling it out here. You can see it's all welded there, and the rust getting at it. It's all welded. You can see the structural connection here, all the rust behind it. You can see the welds here are not good. As we go down the stairs, I'll show you the diamond plate lifting up. Corner welded here, welded here. Someone did put two small bolts into the channel to hold it to the uprights. You can see the corner, the front channel, the whole bottom is bent out from all the rust. The top weld to the only thing that's holding it. Fire escape engineers, summary video. Inspector Tom Curran, New Haven, Connecticut. All welded fire escape, diamond plate treads. Top floor, you can see the diamond plate is buckling from all the rust getting under it. You can see the back of that tread, all the rust pushing it out. This next tread has fell due to the rust. You can see the rust built up in the corner there. This broke the clip there, and it's dropped down to the next landing. Someone's welded clips on the top of this one to try to keep it from that. This next one, the rust has eaten all the clips out. Clip broke. You can see here where they added the clip on the top and it's all broken out. The stair did not fall because there's a clip on it. You can see the rust build up in the corner. Rust build up in the corner. You can see the diamond plate popping up due to all the rust under it. You can see in the corner how much the diamond plate is moving up. You can see the channel is bowing. Someone's put some smaller bolts in it to try to help it. You see the corner there is all bad. Corner there is all bad. You can see where somebody put some 3/8 bolts in to try to help it at one time. You can see the buckling of the channel there where they put some bolts in to try to help it. The other side you can see the channel buckling. You can see the diamond plate buckling. See all the rust built up there. That clip is ready to fall, but the tread already fell down because of all the rust built up on this side. Those that next two treads are gone. You can see how much rust was there on the clips. That next one's starting to buckle. Next one's starting to buckle. You can see all the rust in the corner. You can see how much the diamond plate is bowing because of all the rust underneath it. You can see all the rust built up on the side of the treads. You can see the rust build up on the connection in the corner of the diamond plate there. And on the angle there, same thing on the angle over there. You can see all the leaves and everything by the edge of the building there. And the trees growing, which means the water and everything is getting in there and building rust and affecting the mortar and the brick and the steel. And you can see the steel there is tearing because it's getting water. See all the rust build up on the channel over the diamond plate up there. You can see it on the wall there where it's building up. You can see where it is in the building there. You can see the openings in the mortar. Second floor landing. Second floor landing. The rust is so bad it's eating the diamond plate. Connections on three sides. The only thing that's holding it is the side by the stairs coming up from the first floor, and you can see all the buildup of rust under there and how much it's bowing there. There's very little holding that piece of steel plate from moving. You can see the back of the tread here, all the rust build up, all the rust build up there. Rust build up on the connection, so we put several small bolts in to help it. You can see they welded clips on top of the stairs to try to reinforce them. You can see the hole in that channel where it's starting to rot out. And here's the tread that fell from up above on the 3rd floor. You can see the rust build up there. Someone put a couple of bolts in to try to help it. You can see the rust under the diamond plate. You see all the rust build up in the corner. The rust build up in the corner. You can see all the rust build up on the diamond plate, between the diamond plate and the channel. You can see the starting to rot through in that corner, and starting to rot through in that corner. You can see this tread clip here is ready to go. Some of these others, you can see the rust building up either on the channel or on the diamond plate's tread. You can see all the rust up in the corner of that stringer where it attaches to the channel support. You can see this piece of channel here. You can see where it's being eaten out. You can see it's starting to eat out there. Same thing there and there. You can see you can see that piece of channel there. It's starting to eat out too. You can see all the rest of that corner there. First stringer, you can see the treads all eaten out there and been welded. This is the stringer from the ground to the intermediate platform. Between the 1st and 2nd floor, someone has welded clips on all the treads. You can see all the welded railings here. You can see it on the footing. You can see the angle sitting on the concrete footing. You can see it there. You can see the channel here is all rotted out. You can see the holes where the treads are, all the way up. You can see the rust affecting the tread there. You can see how much the diamond plate is buckling on that intermediate platform. That stringer from the ground to the intermediate platform is totally gone. It is not savable. You can see the rust build up there. You can see the grouting onto that policer plate. You can see the steel here, it's all covered with like an ivory, which is holding the dampness in. It makes the steel rot more. You can see the rust on the channel there. You can see all the buildup on that channel. The footing here, you can see build up in the corner. Build up in the corner. You can see the diamond plate buckling. You can see all the rust in the stringer connection there. You can see the diamond plate buckling there. You can see everything is welded. They did come in and put some bolts in some of the channel to try to save it. You can see they put a couple of bolts in here, but you can still see all the rust in it. You can see all the rust in the diamond plate here and building up. Bottom of that footing is covered with like an ivory. You can see the hole in the stringer there, starting there. That's been re-welded there because it was breaking. Re-welded there. It's falling apart there. You see all the rust building up at the bottom of the angles. You can see that.